There's something special about adding rhinestones to a simple blouse. It doesn't take a complete redesign to make a garment feel brand new. Sometimes, all it needs is a little sparkle in the right places. Rhinestones are my favorite way to elevate pieces because they're versatile, affordable, and can completely change the personality of an outfit. A plain blouse can go from everyday casual to something that feels elegant, fun, or even glamorous with just a few careful placed stones. Before I start, I like to lay the blouse flat and plan out the design. You don't want to rush this step. Whether you're outlining the collar, decorating the cuffs, creating a floral pattern, or adding scattered accents across the front, taking a few minutes to visualize the layout makes a huge difference. I also recommend using fabric-safe glue, B7000 Gem Tack, or hot fix rhinestones using heat, depending on the fabric you're working with. Less is often more. Instead of covering the entire blouse, focus on creating balance so the sparkle catches the light without overwhelming the garment. One of the best parts about the project is that no two blouses will ever look exactly alike. You can choose clear crystals for a timeless look, colorful stones with something bold, or mix different sizes to create an extra dimension and shine. At the end of the day, fashion is about expressing yourself. Adding rhinestones is a simple way to take something ordinary and turn it into something uniquely yours. So grab your blouse, get creative, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine, one rhinestone at a time.